Hi guys, we're in Valdez, North Carolina. I'm not sure what park we are. Let's go find my brother-in-law, Kevin.
Photo spot, nature's playground. Oh, whoa.
Will's about to fall on camera.
Nature's emergency room.
So, let's see what I can't adjust my angle here. Oh yeah. So Mr. Greene, what park are we at?
I'll have to look. Hang on a minute.
Alright. Wow. That's pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie. Right off the road, so this is a very easy hike. You see the kids. Parking lot's on the other side of the building. We'll catch the name of the park here in a minute.
I wouldn't even say it's a hike, I'd say it's more of a walk.
McGalliard Falls.
I'm looking at the phone wrong. McGalliard Falls Park, North Carolina. What do you think, Ray?
I like it.
That mill was torn down years ago and moved somewhere else, and then about 20 years ago the town bought it back and took it apart and moved it back to where it was originally.
And the mill right there?
That mill right there.
Very, very interesting.
If you look over there, you see where they built out. You
Yeah.
see the water to run that way.
That's what I see, and then it ran over the mill.
Turn the wheel.
Here's this side, or the top side. Does it even really look like a waterfall? So here's the mill from the bottom. I think it's pretty neat.
I got a good video of that.
Used to go. There's a little boy standing. They're up here.
This one just walked through the rock.
That's where we're going, right? Let's just see if it works.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oop, oop, slippery, slippery, slippery. Watch it. Watch your steps. There they are. There they are. Let's find them. Oh, there's a little one. That's what it's all about, guys. I'm in the spot, taking the moment in.
Hey guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, turn us on in the notifications. Y'all don't want to miss out on all the trips that are soon to be coming.